Hello and welcome. I am Gautam and you are seeing CBSE and CISE class videos 360 channel. Today we solve the exercise 1A of real numbers chapter and question find a rational number lying between 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया था रेशनल नंबर lying between x and y, two rational number. So required rational number is equal to 1 by 2 x plus y, and 1 by 2 x is equal to 1 by 4 and y is equal to 1 by 3. So 1 by 2 and taking LCM, 4 3 are 12 and 3 plus 4 and 3 plus 4 7 and 12 to the 24. So this is the required rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. इसको हम इस टाइप से भी लिख लेते हैं x is equal to 1 by 4 and y is equal to 1 by 3. And now we find rational number between 1.3 and 1.4. So x is equal to 1.3 and y is equal to 1.4 and required rational number is equal to 1 by 2 x plus y. So 1 by 2 1.3 plus 1.4. Okay, and adding, after adding this, 2.7 divided by 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 5 is 10, 1.35. This is the required rational number between 1.3 and 1.4. Okay, and इसी टाइप का एक और न्यूमेरिकल देखते हैं, -3y4 and y is equal to -2y5 and required rational number is equal to 1 by 2 x plus y. So 1 by 2 x minus 3y4 plus minus 2y5 and taking LCM, 4 5 is 20, 5 3 is 15 and 4 2 is 8. 4 2 is 8 and -15 -8 -23 and 2 2 is 4 40. This is the required rational number. If you like the video, so please like, share and subscribe channel and press bell icon button for more updates. Thank you and bye bye.